Birds circle in the sky like a perfectly synchronized group. Their movements are so precise that it's as if invisible lines are drawn between them.
Oh my God.
Gigantic waves crash towards the fishing boats with destructive power. Each wave, like a wall of water, smashes anything in its path and moves toward the horizon. The wind blows with a maddening speed. Nature is showcasing its furious strength. It's a chilling reminder of how fragile life can be. A massive landslide buries the road under tons of rocks and soil. Fortunately, no one is hurt, but the terrifying scene is a reminder of nature's relentless power. A giant whale calmly approaches the water's surface. Its movements seem to communicate with another world, a realm beyond our comprehension.
Oh, amazing.
A wild and fierce tornado, with unstoppable power, tears apart everything in its path.
That is absolutely huge!
Trees are quickly uprooted, and buildings can't withstand the force of this storm. A powerful flood sweeps away cars like dry leaves with ease. Nothing can resist this destructive force.
Intense kayak trip. Oh, they're gonna take me out. That was crazy. Dude, I thought I was done. I thought I was done for sure.
The collapse of mountains is caused by heavy rainfall, seismic tremors, or even temperature changes. A house collapses with a terrifying noise, as if it cannot withstand nature's power. Every part of the building is destroyed in an instant. A terrifying tornado, with unimaginable power, lifts objects and debris from the ground, hurling them into the air. Nothing can stand against this storm.